We don't really have a very healthy respect for how new so many things are. We make an app. This wasn't even like a job 30 years ago. There's just so much new technology, which has allowed for new types of relationships, social interactions, work environments. It's just all quite new in the course of human events. It doesn't feel very new to us because we're doing it. You think of, I don't know, our parents or grandparents' generation, like my grandma born in 1930 in Dust Bowl, Great Depression, whatever, from small town in Nebraska, to coming over and, hey, can you look at my iPhone because I don't feel like I'm getting text messages from your aunt. No one of her ancestors experienced like the sort of change across their life.
That's a great point.
In remotely the scope. We'll be like, she can't figure out her iPhone. You know? It's just wild. It's hard to see that stopping. Everyone does understand that their sort of chief thing is they have to kind of be adaptable. If you show up and you're like, well, this isn't how I like to do it, that doesn't really go anywhere. You have to be adaptable because it is just constantly changing. It feels slow when you're living through it, but it's actually quite fast.